The Workforce Preparation and Introduction to Machining program is designed for students who are learning English, and it prepares them for future study and entry-level employment in the high-demand field of machining and manufacturing. There are many reasons that a student should participate in this program. First, it allows students who are still learning English the possibility of going to college, of participating in a college program with a lot of hands-on support. Secondly, they learn skills that allow them to access a lot of the good jobs in manufacturing in this area. And thirdly, they get to be part of a bilingual group of students that's sharing a really cool experience and learning a valuable skill. In this program, students take a machining class, and they also take an ELA, or English Language Acquisition class. The English class is designed to teach the vocabulary, language, and concepts that they will need to be successful in the field of manufacturing. Students who participate in this program receive support from the very beginning, from submitting their application to AB Tech to connecting with employers and possible apprenticeships when they finish. Also, the students who are enrolled in this program are all learning English, so that allows them the freedom to ask questions and lean on each other and their instructors for support. There are a number of reasons why students should consider a career in manufacturing and machining. First, there's a nationwide shortage of machinists, and in this area especially, local employers offer jobs with good salaries, benefits, and lots of opportunities for advancement. We also have a number of apprenticeship possibilities that allow students to continue studying at AB Tech while they're working in the field. And they also learn a valuable skill. Machinists quite literally make the stuff that allows civilization to exist. The great thing about the Workforce Preparation and Introduction to Machining program is that it serves as the first step to both the certificate and the degree pathways here. The students in this program take both the Machining Applications course and an English course, and that Machining Applications course is the first class in the Advanced Machine Operator Certificate program, which could eventually lead to the degree. However, the program is also designed to allow entry-level employment directly into a manufacturing job.
When I started the program, my goals were to finish the class and get my GED. The program helped me achieve a lot of goals, just not in the job situation, also in life. Before it, I was having a hard time deciding what I really wanted to do. And after taking this class, I think I'm heading in the right direction. AB Tech helped me a lot finding the right job, and it just gave me a head start on the work. If it wasn't for this class, I would probably just start as a lower level, hacking, stuff like that. But just by taking this class, it did help me get a machining job. And just by working 6 months at Dodge, I just got a promotion to a better work cell. Do encourage students to take the class, just to give it a shot. You never know what can happen or what can come from it. So that's what I expect. I was just going in, I was just like, oh, I'm gonna take the class and see what happens. And from there, the ball started rolling. And I think I found what I really wanted to do.